Welcome to ME 760. This is Engineering Analysis 1. So the main purpose of this course is to remove the rust, mathematical rust, from your mind. So it will add also some mathematical topics to you. It's a new topics that we'll be discussing during this semester. So let's start with the syllabus. So my name is Ali, and last name is Abdou, A-B-D-O-U. You can reach me at 137 D Ward Hall. If you cannot find me at this location, I am also in 142 Ward Hall, and this is my lab. So you can ask my students if you cannot reach me, for example. Also, you can reach me by email. It's aeabdou@ksu.edu. For phone 785-352-7182. This is the campus email, phone. So we will be meeting here 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, from 10:30 to 11:20. For the course office hours, I have open office hours, so you can stop by anytime if you want. If I am busy, I will ask you to come later during the day or the next day, or if it is urgent for you, I will shift my work a little bit and start working with you. So if you want anything, just stop by my office. Excuse me. The textbook that we'll be using during this semester is Foundation of Mathematics by Riley and Hobson. I don't know if you bought already the book or not. So this is a new book. The old book was one volume. Now the author divided the book to 2 volumes. This one is used in ME 760, and the other one will be used in ME 860, which is the continuation or the higher version of this course. The book comes with a student solution manual, so we can also buy the student solution manual and work out the problems. So for any course in mathematical physics or advanced engineering mathematics, usually in order to excel in the course, you have to solve lots of problems. And without solving problems, you will not be able to acquire any mathematical integrity in the course. So you have to solve a lot. I remember when I was a student like you, if I got for example, the lecture, I return back, I read the lecture, then I try to solve lots of problems. And one case is using the student solution manual. There is also very good books, and you can order those or from online, or you can borrow them from the libraries. It's called Shom's Outline series. One of those is Advanced Engineering Mathematics. The beauty of those books, the Shom series, is you will find topic by topic. Each chapter compose a topic, for example. Then it will start with definition. It's not like the book with detailed information. So once you get the lecture from me and you read the book and you want to understand more, you will go to one of the chapters, the corresponding chapter. For example, you will read just 1 or 2 pages as the introduction or something like this, or definitions. Then you will find solved problems. So you will have something like, at every chapter you will have something like 30-40 solved problem, and you will find the same 30-40 unsolved problem. And try to work it out without looking at the solution. It is a detailed solution, and see how you will do. Then read the solution, try to think a little bit, and solve it again, and see if you get a better improvement or not. And this is how you train yourself on solving the mathematical problem. Otherwise, it would be very difficult. So by just reading the book, you will not be able to train yourself to solve the mathematical problems, and this is how it works. The grading for this semester will be, we will have 7 homework during this semester. So we'll have 7 homeworks. Each homework will count for 5%, so this is 35%. And we will have midterm, exam, and it will count for 25%. And we will have the final exam, and this will count for 40% of your grade. This is not rigid, so maybe we can change a little bit the final and add something like 5% for class participation or something like this. But this is usually the outline. So the homework will be distributed at the end of the class, and it is due the same day the following week. So we'll have 1 week to work the homework at the beginning of the class unless stated otherwise. So I expect everyone to do all homework assignment. Late homework will be 20% off, and after 2 days will be 40% off. After 2 days, 20% off, and after 1 week it will be 40% off. After the homework solution will be handed in, I will not accept the homework. So I encourage all of you to do the homework on time and to hand it in on time. And also I expect that you do not copy each other homework. You are more than welcome to work together, for example, in the homework solutions, but I encourage that everyone will have his own write-up. And if we come to the write-up, there is, at K-State Online, there is a PDF file that's called the write-up. So just consult the PDF file, and it has the rules for writing up the homework. So there is some rules and regulation. If you did not abide by those rules, I will not accept the homework. So just abide by the rules, and you will find it at K-State Online. Usually, the semester will be, I think, 15 weeks or 14 weeks. 15 or 16 weeks. And I think we will have 1 week for the spring break. And this is the only vacation, I think, last the 5th of September for the Labor Day. So at least we'll have something like 15 weeks in classes. So during this semester, we would be studying at least seven chapters from the book. So we will start with chapter 7. And chapter 7 is chapter 9, not 7, chapter 9. It will be the vector algebra, and then we'll get to the chapter number 10, matrices and vector spaces, chapter 11, vector calculus, and chapter 12, line, surface, and volume integral. We will not study the Laplace transform in this course, and then we will end up with chapter 14, the ordinary differential equation. If there is time, maybe we will get to the application of special functions or so, if there is time in the course. Again, so this is the chapters, and in the syllabus here you will find in the back of the syllabus how many weeks for each one of those topics, for example. And lastly, in the syllabus, you will notice that there is the academic misconduct here. So again, read it carefully, because again, I do not want anybody to just carbon copy his colleague, for example, work or get anything from the internet or anything like this. So it's forbidden and this is considered, for example, if you bring a copied solution from anywhere, this is considered plagiarizing, and this is against the university rules. So you have to take this into account. So, Mike, so we will hand in class and also online, the students that take the course online, there is a small quiz that you will take it and try to solve it here, part of it during the class, for example, the remaining part of the class, and take it home, try to play with it to see if you, for example, as understand the terminology and remember the stuff here. The quiz does not have a grade, so I'm just giving it to you in order to see if you will be able to manipulate this, and also the people that take the class, for example, online, this quiz is online, and once you are done, maybe next semester class I will talk to you about the quiz a little bit and see how did you do in the quiz. So Mike, I'm done for the online. Thank you.